What's going on, guys? Joey with Panthers Pro Wash, Charlotte, North Carolina. As you can tell, I'm up on a roof today doing some gutter cleaning. It's a very nice house here in North Davidson. It's kicking my butt. Thank God for friends. Got a good buddy on his way with his nice tall ladder. There we go. That's what we're working with. Those have already been cleaned out. Now, gutter cleaning is an extremely important and overlooked process when you own a home or own a property that has gutters. If you don't take care of your gutters, there are a number of things that can go wrong. Now, as the gutters overflow, they get packed with dirt, leaves, stuff like that. Obviously, the basis of decomposition is those leaves turn into dirt over time. If you don't take care of them, that dirt will build up, and eventually the brackets that hold the gutters on, these little buddies right here, they're drilled into what's called the fascia board back there. Now that fascia board will become, those brackets will become weighted down, and eventually it'll pull out of that fascia board. Then, since you have a gutter that's not operating optimally, what happens is that water overflows over those gutters, over the front and the back of the gutter, and then you get a rotted fascia board. Now, since that fascia board is attached to your roof, that rot will eventually work its way up the roof all the way till you get holes, and you will eventually need an early roof replacement, and they're not cheap if you've ever had to have a roof done. Additionally, if the gutters do overfill too, you also have problems down below. Gutters are designed to flow water away from the foundation of the house. And if the water is not flowing away from the foundation of the house and you don't have proper drainage around your house from the grading when it was built, that water is going to pool up around that foundation and then erode away the dirt there, concrete, wood, whatever kind of foundation you got, and it's just going to disappear. It's just going to start rotting out, and you're going to have problems both above and down below. So make sure you're taking care of your gutters. Most homes here in Charlotte, I recommend at least every 6 months, if not quarterly. Quarterly is the best bet. Now, do they always need to be cleaned quarterly? No. If they don't need to be cleaned, I come out, I look at it. I'm not gonna charge you to just because I got up on a ladder to look at your gutters. So at least sign up for quarterly. That way, if they do need it, you're prepared, and you're not letting a problem fester and build up. If you had an infection, would you band-aid it and put some ointment on it? Yes, you would. Would you let it fester? No, you wouldn't. So, same thing. Take care of your gutters will take care of you. Have a good day. Take care.